Here's where you can go to find the remote lock feature and the theft protection feature. This is for both Samsung and Android devices. On your Android or Samsung phone, go into the quick access like this here. Once you're in the main settings of both Android or Samsung, always use the search option to find this feature. You can type in remote lock as one of the settings or simply theft protection, and you're going to see the suggestion as you start typing it in. Now once you go into it here, you will see this right here. It's going to be under the lost device protection, and I would recommend having a lock screen on your phone if you haven't done so yet before doing this. So go ahead and lock your screen setup, go ahead and do that and come back here. And then you'll see this right here. Now, once you're here, you are going to see screen locking, and you want to go ahead and turn that on. When you do this, you'll see this prompt here, and this works in many ways, but for now, turn that on. And also right in this area, you're going to see remote lock right there. So go to that and go ahead and turn that on. Now, this won't work unless you have a working SIM card. It's not the phone that I usually use, but you should have a SIM card on your device here. And when remote lock is on, it's going to tell you right here, you can lock your screen remotely if your device is stolen or lost. And that would be the site and so where you would go about setting this device up, just in case you ever lose your phone, like and said.